We're BioLite, and we love fire. A campfire is all about gathering round, but the smoke that comes with it can often get in the way of sticking around. It's time to upgrade your fire with the BioLite FirePit Plus. A Bluetooth-controlled wood-burning system that can cook your meals and create an outdoor floating fire without any of the smoke. Central to the BioLite FirePit Plus is the advanced airflow system. An integrated fan injects the fire with air across 51 jets, dramatically improving combustion by burning particulate matter before it has a chance to escape the fire. So you can go from spark to smokeless in under 30 seconds. The result? No more shuffling around your campfire to avoid plumes of smoke. Unlike typical fire pits you might encounter, FirePit Plus features X-ray mesh, giving you a 360-degree view of your flames and creating the feel of a floating fire in nighttime conditions. The updated mesh features an enlarged design, enabling more heat to radiate outward from your fire. Improved high-temp enamel coating provides maximum durability from the elements and easy cleaning in between use. The burn chamber can hold up to 4 pieces of cordwood at a time, and with the hyper-efficient burn, you get a roaring campfire with half the fuel typically required, so you can do more with less. Control the strength of your flames right from the palm of your hand with the free BioLite app, which talks to your airflow system to modulate fan speeds. The more air you introduce, the hotter the fire. The airflow pack can provide up to 30 hours of clean burning on a single charge, and detaches for easy recharging via micro USB. And when you're not burning, the airflow pack doubles as a power bank, offering power in a pinch to your other devices. Ready for the beach, the backyard, and beyond, the FirePit's folding legs and durable carry bag make it easy to transport, while the fire mat and fire poker accessories protect surfaces and stoke fuel for a perfect burn. Looking to cook with your campfire? We got you covered. The FirePit's dual fuel system can accommodate both charcoal or burn your firewood down to embers. And with the included grate top, your system transforms instantly into a hibachi-style grill. Pair your FirePit Plus with custom-designed cooking accessories for epic outdoor meals any time of day. Fire captivates us, warms us, gathers us, and feeds us. It's one of our oldest tools, and it's time for it to evolve. Discover the BioLite FirePit.